to K-Shift Zone, your destination for deep dives into the machines that move the world forward. Here, we focus on real-world performance, thoughtful design, and the kind of driving experiences that stay with you long after the engine cools. Today, K-Shift Zone brings you a complete look at the 2026 Suzuki Jimny, a compact off-road legend that continues to prove that size has nothing to do with capability. The 2026 Suzuki Jimny stays true to its iconic boxy shape, a design that has become instantly recognizable across generations. Suzuki has refined the exterior just enough to keep it modern without losing the rugged charm that Jimny fans love. The upright stance, round headlights, flat clamshell hood, and short overhangs are all still here, serving both style and function. The compact dimensions make the Jimny perfect for tight city streets, narrow mountain trails, and dense forests, while the raised ground clearance and tough body panels remind you that this vehicle is built for more than just looks. Under the hood, the 2026 Jimny continues with a reliable and efficient engine setup designed for durability rather than raw speed. Suzuki focuses on proven engineering, offering an engine that delivers consistent torque at low RPMs, which is exactly what serious off-road driving demands. Whether crawling over rocks, climbing steep inclines, or navigating muddy tracks, the Jimny feels confident and controlled. The engine is paired with a smooth manual or automatic transmission, both tuned to handle rough conditions while remaining easy to use during daily driving. One of the strongest highlights of the 2026 Suzuki Jimny is its authentic four-wheel drive system. Unlike many compact SUVs that rely on all-wheel drive systems meant mainly for slippery roads, the Jimny features a proper low-range transfer case. This setup allows the driver to switch between two-wheel drive for efficiency and four-wheel drive for challenging terrain. Low-range gearing gives the Jimny exceptional control at slow speeds, making it ideal for technical off-road situations where precision matters more than power. The ladder frame chassis remains a core part of the Jimny's identity in 2026. This traditional body-on-frame construction provides strength and durability that unibody crossovers simply cannot match. Combined with rigid axles and a well-tuned suspension, the Jimny absorbs rough terrain while keeping all four wheels planted. On uneven surfaces, the suspension flex allows the vehicle to maintain traction where others would lose grip. This is where the Jimny truly shines, proving that it is a real off-roader in a world full of soft-roaders. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Suzuki Jimny balances simplicity with modern comfort. The interior design is practical and purposeful, with controls placed for ease of use even when wearing gloves. Suzuki has improved material quality compared to earlier models, offering more durable surfaces that can handle dirt, dust, and daily wear. The dashboard design is clean and straightforward, focusing on functionality rather than unnecessary luxury, which fits perfectly with the Jimny's adventurous character. Technology in the 2026 Jimny is modern without being overwhelming. A touchscreen infotainment system supports smartphone connectivity, navigation, and media controls, giving drivers the essentials they need on long journeys or daily commutes. Physical buttons are still present for important functions, ensuring usability in rough conditions where touchscreens alone can be frustrating. The digital displays provide clear information about vehicle status, drive modes, and off-road angles, adding confidence when tackling difficult terrain. Despite its compact size, the Jimny offers a surprisingly comfortable driving position. The upright seating and excellent visibility make it easy to place the vehicle accurately on narrow trails or busy roads. The high seating position also enhances confidence, especially for new drivers who may be exploring off-road driving for the first time. While rear seat space is limited, it remains practical for short trips or additional cargo when needed, especially with the seats folded down. On-road performance has also been refined for 2026. While the Jimny is not designed to be a highway cruiser, Suzuki has improved ride comfort and noise insulation to make longer drives more enjoyable. The steering is light and responsive, perfect for city driving and tight turns. The short wheelbase allows the Jimny to maneuver easily where larger vehicles struggle, making parking and urban driving stress-free. Safety has not been overlooked in the 2026 Suzuki Jimny. Suzuki equips the vehicle with modern safety features such as stability control, traction control, multiple airbags, and advanced braking systems. Driver assistance technologies help provide peace of mind during daily use, while the strong frame construction adds an extra layer of protection. These updates ensure that the Jimny meets modern safety expectations without compromising its rugged nature. Fuel efficiency remains a strong point for the Jimny, especially considering its off-road capability. The lightweight design and efficient engine help keep running costs low, making it an attractive option for buyers who want adventure without high fuel expenses. This balance of capability and efficiency is one of the reasons the Jimny continues to have a loyal global fan base. What truly